Biopharma breathing a sigh of relief today after Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell warned House Speaker Nancy Pelosi that her drug pricing plan would be dead on arrival in the Senate. So what could this mean for the drug pricing battle? Obviously, the drug makers liked this news.
Yeah, they should like it. And I think big cap pharma, although the last, obviously, 3 weeks have been difficult for Eli Lilly, for Pfizer, even to a certain extent Merck, I think they're going to get back on their horse and run again. Lilly closed today 116. The all-time high was on or about 130. I think that's where it's headed. Valuations are not stretched. I think the space had a bullseye. I think that bullseye is now gone.
I don't want to have to be forced to pick one of those names, so I buy the XLV. You buy the ETF. It's only up 7%. It's lagged the market, and I think you have a little bit of smooth sailing going into year end if it's dead on arrival.
He was almost daring you to would you rather him, right? I mean,
I'm not taking the bait.
You're not taking the bait.
I'm not taking the bait. I want to go someplace else with this. Nobody tells me what to do.
Right on.
All right. But my question is, for every positive headline like this, you get a negative headline, and there's still a lot of time to the election.
Right, but at least it delays it, right? So at least there's this stagnation. So if you were concerned that something was going to happen either before the election or that's probably off the table now. For me, I'll go a little further down the food chain and say maybe you look at biotech again. IBB, the NASDAQ biotech, traded really well today. The reason why I say that is if there was any hesitation about buying out some of these smaller cap biotechs by the large pharmas because you didn't know what pricing was going to be, maybe there's a little more certainty in the world today.
I think taking these headlines as at least a counter to all the political fears that we've seen kind of swirling around this sector is not enough to go out and buy it. I don't think that the valuations are particularly interesting. I think that a lot of these companies actually also had a very good run in the context, again, of a slower growth economy where we had high dividend yields, and these are very predictable cash flow generators. So this has never been a reason to jump in or out of the sector for me, and I think that's proven over and over every political cycle.